Good morning to all. Dear student, today in the computer class we are going to start our lesson 4, that is fun with Tuxedo Pen. Before watching the video, please be ready with your book. Chapter 4, Fun with Tuxedo Pen. You have already learned how to use the basic tools in Tuxedo Pen to create drawings. Already you got in your previous class about the Tuxedo Pen. So how to create a drawings in a Tuxedo Pen. In addition to those, you can also use stamps, create storyboard and run slide shows in Tuxedo Pen. You can even choose canvases of different kinds for your work. So already you have done in your previous class, that means in the class 3 you have already done the Tuxedo Pen, how to create the drawing there, and additions, things like use stamp, create storyboard and run slide. It's already done in the previous class. But here in this lesson you will learn the advanced features of Tuxedo Pen with which you can further enhance your drawing. So in this chapter you will learn more advanced features of Tuxedo Pen. Stamp tool. It is a collection of rubber stamp and stickers. Stamp tools are what? The collection of rubber stamp and sticker. Maybe many of you have seen the stamp, no? Seal, we can see the seal in the certificate, or where sometimes round color or sometimes the rectangle, some stamps are there. So that is the stamp. Okay, rubber stamp and stickers, and we used to paste some stickers also. Yeah, it allows you to add ready-made image to your picture. So these stamp tools allow you to add ready-made image to your pictures. An outline image of the stamp is seen when the mouse is brought over the drawing canvas, telling the user about its size and location. So outline of a stamp will be seen when you bring the mouse over the drawing, or canvas also telling user about the size and location of the stamp. Multiple copies of the same stamp or of different stamp can be placed at different location in the drawing. So you can use the multiple copies, not only the one, two. Same stamp you can use many times in the different places or different location in your drawing canvas. Canvas means where you used to draw. Different categories of stamps are available for use in the Selector Pen of the Tuxedo Pen window. So different categories of stamps are there in the Selector Pen. Here the Selector Pens are there. So in the Selector Pen of the Tuxedo Pen window, you will get the different category stamp. There are additional options in the stamp tools which allow the user to flip the selected stamp vertically or creates its mirror image. And here one additional options also there in the stamp tool, this side stamp tool, where the user can flip the selected stamp vertically. User can move the stamp according to their wish vertically or creates this mirror image also. Mirror image means just opposite image. Okay. So here in with figure it is shown. There is an option to change the stamp size. In some cases, the colors palettes in the lower part of the screen is active and allow the user to even change the color of the stamp. So here sometimes the color will be reflected, color will be showing, and user can use the color from here also. How to add a stamp? For adding the stamp, here some steps are given. Click on the stamp tool in the toolbar pen. So in the toolbar pen, here in the toolbar pen, you can select the stamp tool. A list of stamp will appear in the selector pen. Then the list of stamp will be appear in the selector pen. Move through the different categories of stamp available using the left and right arrow button in the selector pen. So in the selector pen, you can move your mouse and by using the left and right button, arrow button, you can select the desired stamp. Number 3, click on the appropriate tools in the selector pen to increase or decrease the stamp size, and you have to select or click on the appropriate tools in the selector pen to increase and decrease the size of the stamp. To flip it vertically to create its mirror image, or to change its color in case the color plates is active. If the color platelets is active, then you can change the color also, and you can create the mirror image also. You can change the side also. You can flip the vertically also. This everything you can do from the selector pen. Number 5, bring the cursor to the drawing canvas, and outline of the selected stamp will move with the movement of the mouse, showing how and where the stamp will be placed. So bring the cursor to the drawing canvas in the middle page, this one, the drawing canvas. You can bring the cursor to the drawing canvas, then an outline of the selected stamp will be appear there, and it will be moved how and where the stamp will be placed. Number 6, click on the left mouse button to place the stamp. You have to click on the left mouse button to place the stamp at the desired location. So here, so this stamp is pasted. So if you want this stamp, then you have to click on the, you want to paste the stamp in this place, then you have to click on the left mouse button. Okay. Different categories of text styles are available for use in the selector pen of the Tuxedo window. So different categories of text styles also there. Here it is shown, it's the text styles. Here ABC is written, it's the text. So different types of text styles also available in the selector pen. You can use that also for writing. There are additional options in the level tool. Here in the level tool near the text, level tool also additional options are there which allow the user to flip the selected level. So level also, whatever the level you can use, you can flip the level also. It option is there. Format vertically. The text is available in varying size also, which can be selected using the arrow key, or you can select the text using the arrow key. This is also available in the different style. Opening a new drawing canvas. How you can open a new drawing canvas? You can create new picture in Tuxedo Pen using the new tool. Tuxedo Pen offers not only a blank white canvas for drawing, but also canvases with different colors in the background. Black and white outlines and 3D photographs also available. Follow these steps to open a new drawing canvas in the Tuxedo Pen. Open the Tuxedo Pen window. Click on the new tool in the toolbar pan. A list of canvases open. Scroll up and down using the arrows. Select the desired canvas and click on the open button. So by following these steps, you can use a new canvas. Here the many canvases are there with a different color back. So whatever the color you will choose, the background will be displayed on that color. Okay. Next is viewing a slideshow. How you will view the slideshow? Picture created in Tuxedo Pen can also be viewed as a slideshow. Follow these steps to watch a slideshow of the pictures created. Number 1. Select the Open tool in the toolbar pen. What you have to select? Open tool in the toolbar pen. Open tool option is there. Number 2. A list of pictures created and saved in Tuxedo Pen appear as thumbnails in the virtual picture box. So like a thumbnails, it will be displayed on the picture book. Here's. Click on the slide button in the lower left corner of the virtual picture box. So you have to click on the slide button in the lower left corner of the virtual picture box. 4. A new pane appears in the middle of the window containing pictures saved in Tuxedo Pen. Click on the image in the sequence in which you want them to appear in the slideshow. The image will be numbered accordingly. So, whatever the pictures are saved in the Tuxedo Pen, all the pictures will be displayed here. Now, which picture you want? Suppose this middle picture is the number 1. That means the user wants this picture to view first, display first, appear first. So this one, number 2 this one, and number 3 this one. So like that numbering way the picture will be displayed on the screen. So that is called the slideshow. Automatically it will display on the screen. Click on a selected image to remove it from the slideshow. In case no picture is selected, then all the image will appear in the slideshow. If click on the selected image will be removed in the slideshow and no picture is selected, then all the pictures will be appear on the slideshow. Number 5. Set the speed of the slide change using the sliding scale next to the play button. Here the sliding scales are there. So by using the sliding scales, you can change the speed of the slide. How much time is required to display the one slide. After that, how much time is required to display the second one. By using the sliding scale, you can measure, you can set it. Number 6. Click on the play button to start the slide. So here the play button is there, down. So you can click on that play button to start the slideshow. Slide change automatically after the selected time frame, or you can also click on the next button to move to the next slide. So slide you can automatically it will be changed after the selected slide or frame after the frame time, or you can use the next button to move the next slide. Number 8. Click on the back button to go back to the thumbnail. Again you have to click on the, if you want to go back to from the slideshow, then you can click on the back button. It will go to the again into the thumbnail. Printing pictures in Tuxedo Pen. The pictures created in Tuxedo Pen can also be printed. Follow this step to print a picture. So whatever the pictures are created in the Tuxedo Pen, you can print that pictures also. Okay, and for printing that you have to follow these steps. Number 1, click on the print tool in the toolbar pan. Number 2, a dialog box appears asking for your permission to print the open picture. Click on the yes, print it option. Number 3, the print dialog box appears. Select the printer connected to your computer in the select printer section and specify your printing preference. Number 4, click on the print button. So here in this window everything is showing, so you can see from here. Okay, here the print tool is there. By selecting the print tool from the print toolbar, you can print the pictures whatever in the Tuxedo Pen. Okay, so dear student, this much for today's class. Already we have completed the chapter that fun with Tuxedo Pen. Okay, now for your home assignment, I am giving the questions from your textbook exercise only. So question number A, solve the crossword using the clues given. Here the clues are there. So by using that clues, you can solve the crosswords here. Okay, so that one is for your homework. you can do in your book. Second question is number B. State the function of the following. Already the whatever the options or whatever the tools are there, already it is written in the book what are their function. So you can see from the chapter and you can write down in a copy, not in a book. Okay, you can write down in a copy. And state true or false also you can do in your book. No need to write down in a copy, you can do in a book and you can send me in the WhatsApp group. Clear, student? So number A and number C you can do in a book and number B you have to write down in your copy. Clear? Okay, thank you and have a nice day.